Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use a potentiometer within the Simulide platform. So how we can use it? First of all, we need to take our potentiometer. So in resistor section we can see that we have this potentiometer. So first you can go to resistors and then in subcategory you can see this potentiometer. Click on it and drag it to the main circuit window. Now you can see that this is our potentiometer. We can make it big like this. This has a dial with the help of which we can change its value. It has 3 pins. 2 are the side pins while the middle one is called as the wiper pin. This wiper pin used to move on a resistive thing, okay? That is a resistive strip. And whenever it is away from the VCC, so more is the length of the resistive strip, and in fact, more is the resistance. So now, okay, let me fix it out like this. And now I will try to change it because it is a variable resistor, so we can change its resistance with the help of this dial. So now we will go and we will take our incandescent lamp, okay? So this is our lamp. It is a 5-volt based lamp, and we also need to take our fixed voltage, okay? Fixed voltage. So this is our supply. Okay, now we can make it a little bit big like this, okay, or wet like this. So this is my lamp, a potentiometer and fixed voltage. So what we need to do is to connect the one side of the potentiometer with the voltage source. Okay, and the other end or the wiper pin of the potentiometer with that of the lamp, and the lamp's other end must be connected with the ground. So we will go and we will take ground. So now the power will flow from fixed power supply to the lamp while passing through the potentiometer and then will be grounded. So potentiometer will insert a resistance in between this lamp and the source. So it will control the brightness of the lamp. So now we will run it out. We can see that when we will on our fixed voltage supply, our lamp will become on, and now our lamp is on. Now with the help of this dial we can decrease the resistance. Now you can see that our resistance is 0. It is very less and our bulb is at full brightness. Now we will decrease it out. Now you can see that the light of the bulb used to be less and less, used to decrease out, and now you can see that our lamp is now off. Now it is completely off, and now you can see that it is now at full brightness. So with the help of this potentiometer we can change the brightness of this incandescent lamp, and we can even reduce its value from like 1 kilohertz to 100 hertz, okay? So now the resistance is less now, so now you can see that it is okay. 100 ohm is not going to make a big difference. So okay, no, now our simulation is running. So now you can see that, so we got a little bit more steps. Like this brightness, and then this and this and this. So in this way we can control the brightness of lamp with the help of potentiometer. So this is a very basic simulation regarding potentiometer. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.